Useful tips and tricks to quit snoring. Snoring is an annoying problem that affects many people, but it can also be an indicator of your overall health. In order to combat your snoring, you must do something about it. Try looking at the tips that are listed below to see what you can do to cease the snoring and quiet your slumber. To cut back on snoring, avoid drinking or eating dairy products 3 hours before you go to bed. Dairy products are notorious for causing a buildup of mucus in your chest. In turn, this exacerbates snoring by making it more difficult to breathe without sounding too raspy. Avoid milk, cheese, yogurt and ice cream. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. Your sleep position can greatly affect whether or not you will wind up snoring during sleep. Those who sleep on their backs tend to be more prone to snoring simply because that particular sleep position encourages relaxation of the throat, which can result in snoring. Try to sleep on your side, if possible, to help alleviate snoring. Stay away from all milk products before going to bed. Most dairy products cause mucus buildup in your throat, which in turn causes snoring. If you are a big dairy fan, do not consume it past dinner time. Also, if you want to have a drink before bedtime, stick to water or tea. As you have read, snoring is a pretty annoying problem that many people deal with, and besides being noisy, it could be an indicator of your health. You should use those tips above to find the causes of your snoring and to quiet the noises that affect you when you sleep. Would you like to learn this easy throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.